everybody, welcome back to Art by the Lake. I know it's been a while, but I guess life marches on. So today we're going to do a simple 3-color blow dryer pour painting. We're using Floetrol, the typical mix, Floetrol, paint, and distilled water. We've got a canvas board just because this is sort of experimental, so I don't want to wipe out a big 16 by 20. This is a relatively small board. I have 3 colors. I have orange, white, and black. The orange has just some coconut milk serum in it and a little bit of some sort of paint that just got stuck in there. Has coconut milk serum. The white has coconut milk serum. The black has nothing in it. We're going to pour all 3 down the center. We're going to do orange, white, black, and I will do the rest on time lapse. Please subscribe to us on YouTube at Art by the Lake. If you have any questions, you can contact me at artbythelake@gmail.com. And if you're interested in buying any of our paintings, we list quite a few of them on eBay at Art by the Lake. So thanks for tuning in. Hope you like this one, and off we go to the time lapse.